welcome back again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with your favorite dishes. We all know that we did it over and over and over and over. Many times we did it in different kind of ways, different kind of style. Or you to fry up a corned beef and serve it with rice. But for me, you know what I mean, every day you learn something new, and today I want to share some ideas of how you can do yourself some nice lovely corned beef at home with some sweet corn. Cook it down and also serve it with some plain rice. Goes really well with a lot of veg inside of it. So guys, hopefully this you can enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So basically we got some onion which I'm gonna cut into half, and simple, cut it up very small. That's what you want to do to fry it up, to make yourself a nice lovely fried up corned beef. And also we got some spring onion. I got 2 stalks of spring onion. As you can see, that's the spring onion. This is some sweet pepper, and as you can see, different colors of sweet pepper. We're gonna simple cut it up very small. Also, it's just nice, you know, when you're doing like corned beef with veg. It's really good. I'm gonna cut it up just very small. Also lovely and nice. And also we got the yellow pepper, really nice, give it a lot of flavor, a lot of taste. Got some sweet corn. In the meantime, what I did, I just light my stove, making the pot getting really hot at the moment. So guys, as you can see, the different kind of color veg and white onion and spring onion, which we're going to use also in that frying pan. So now we're going to move to the next level of how to fry it up. Lovely and nice. So basically, as you can see, that's the frying pan. All you need to do, pop some olive oil or vegetable oil, roughly 2 tablespoons of oil inside of it. Make it a little bit hot for about 3 to 4 seconds, and pretty gonna start getting hot now because my stove was on with the pot about 2 seconds ago. So basically we're gonna start popping some veg just like this. As you can hear, that small frying, lovely, looking so nice, colorful, and that's what you're looking for. Beautiful. Basically give it a nice little stir. And also we will need to put a little bit of coarse pepper, option. And also, we normally you don't have to, but I just love to put a little bit of paprika. Now just make it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. So we just crush a head of garlic, put it straight in it so we get some flavor, and a red Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper also. Get a little flavor straight in it. And basically this is a corned beef. We already moved the fat from the corned beef. Just straight inside of it. Had that lovely sweet corn, roughly a cup of sweet corn, medium sized cup. Give it a stir. Leave that for about 2 to 3 seconds. Start to get fried, and all those flavors gonna come together with the corned beef and also simmer down in the next 3 to 4 minutes. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Now we're gonna pop roughly 2 tablespoons of ketchup for option. You don't have to, guys. I know a lot of people say, oh, Chef Ricardo love to put ketchup in his corned beef, but you know, you need flavor to your food. What are you gonna do? You have to flavor it up, give it a lot of spice, and make it cook down. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. Look at that lovely, nice, lovely scotch bonnet pepper showing on top with the garlic. and the garlic bringing a lot of flavor to it with the scotch bonnet pepper. Give it another 2 to 3 seconds. Ready, done and dusted, and can share out. Nice and lovely. So as I can see, now this is finished. So basically what I'm going to do is to share it out and make you guys see exactly what I have on the plate. Okay, so enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And this is the old school cooking of corned beef, and I know you guys will love it. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So I just share it out, and as you can see, the different on the plate with that lovely corned beef with the scotch bonnet pepper and some mixed veg at the side. Plain coconut rice goes really well with corned beef, and it is just an old school cooking of Jamaican corned beef, guys. This is how we don't normally do it, because now we had in sweet corn back in Jamaica. We only had sweet corn to eat. We just fry it up the old school style, but this is Chef Ricardo old school style. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And the veg balance the corned beef, so it's really good, and balance also the rice. Enjoy it and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. See you next time. Bye bye.